So this video is going to go through the homework which was given in yesterday's class. It's on page 183 of your book, and it is the box for the mini Easter eggs. So shown opposite are the dimensions of a box for mini Easter eggs. Part A is draw the elevation and plan view of the object in the direction of arrow shown. And then part B says draw the surface development of the box when flattened. The stem and the card can be drawn in freehand. So for part A, we're going to draw our elevation and plan. And we're told elevation is looking in the direction of the 100 mil arrow. So I'm going to keep this close to the top of the page. So the object is 25 mil tall. I'm going to add another 20 onto that. I'll go down about 45 mil. So just so you can see that there. And I'm going to come in about 20 mil. So the length is 100 mil. As always, we're going to draw a box to fit both views inside. So the length is 100 and the height of the elevation is 25. So that box there is going to fit our elevation. And I'll mark that in there. And in our plan, a bit of a gap between the two views. And the plan is 50 in total. So that box there is going to fit our plan view. So in elevation, all we can see is a rectangle. And that is the outline we can see there. And in plan, it's a triangle. And you go up 25 at that end to get our point there. And we can connect those corners together there. Join that down. And then it shows as well that we draw in the stem in freehand. So what I can do is just draw a few lines coming out like that. And that can be our freehand sketch. Now for the development, what we need to do first of all is we need to figure out how many sides we have. So if we look at it, we have our top, which is 1, this side is 2, the back is 3, the opposite side is 4, and the base is going to be 5. So the base is obviously hidden there, and the back side there is hidden as well. So we're going to have 5 parts to it. What I'm going to do underneath here, I'm going to draw a sketch to represent what I'm going to have. So for my development, I'm going to start off by drawing one of my triangles there. That'll be our side 1. Attached to that is going to be the back part of it. So for me, that's going to be side 3. So I'll show you again there, this side. Attached to that then is going to be a bottom. So I'm going to have the top, the back of it, and the bottom all attached together. So I have another triangle there. And then I'm going to have my 2 sides. The left side and the right side. I have 2 and 4. And they can be attached, for example, here and there. You could also attach them there if you want to as well. Once you have them all drawn in and they can all fold up together, any answer will be accepted. So for me, I'm just going to have them at the top, but you could also have them at the bottom. You could have one of each. But just to make it look well, I'm going to have the 2 of them on the same side. So I'm going to have them attached to side number 1. So for side number 1, I'm going to keep it up near the top of the page. So what I'll do is, I'm going to take this height here, which is 100, and I'm going to go down about 120, or maybe actually I'll go down about 150 to give plenty of space. I'm going to take that across from my line here, and for this bottom corner here, of the triangle, I'm going to come across about 100 mil. So for side number 1, it's basically redrawing that plan view. So the width of it is 50 mil, and the height of it is going to be 100. So 100 mil up, and I'm going halfway across. And remember, we're going to draw it in lightly first, and then going heavy after. So that's side 1. The base, or sorry, the back of it is attached to it then, which is side 3. And I have my width already got from here. The height of it is got from my elevation. So what I can do is, I can use my compass here, take that height, and use it to mark it off there. So there's 3. 5 is on the opposite side, so all I need to do is take that down and redraw it again. I can take this height here and mark that off on this side and join that and that. Last 2 things are sides for me 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 I'm going to draw attached to side 1. I already have the length of the side here and here. I know the distance going up is that width there, which I already have here as well. So what I'm going to do is take that distance. I'll just change the lead there. So I take that distance, I'm going to mark it off out here and here, and there, just by swinging an arc. Now I know by the sides they're all 90 degrees to each other, so what I need to do is use sliding set squares and go out perpendicular to them to see where they meet. So that gives me that point there, and then I go parallel to that from there to give me that side there as being side 2, and same thing this side, go perpendicular to give me that line there, go perpendicular, extend it on by the meet, and go perpendicular back here. That's side 4. Last thing I need to do then is just go over the whole outline. So I go around the whole outline, and the last thing then is going to be drawing my lines in for my fold lines, so to represent where the object is going to be folded up. So hopefully that video helps anyone who's been stuck on that question there.